This is the children's Lamborghini Urus electric vehicle, and this is it after it's been assembled. So if you continue watching, I will demonstrate how I assembled it. It's not difficult and it didn't take long at all, but this is how it looks when it's assembled. So this is in black, and as you can see, it really looks like the actual vehicle. There is a start and stop button as well as that on and off, like it looks like a power switch, and that's almost like a secondary safety. And then there's the buttons for forward and reverse, and then there it does come with an aux cord, so if you want to plug in and have your music. And then the horn is there, and it does have the Lamborghini kind of logo all around, and then the pedal for the gas. And it does come with a remote so that you can control it, just in case you don't want your child controlling it or if they're not at that level yet. So here is my son after it was first revealed to him, and as you can see, he just hopped right in. He was so excited. Of course, safety first, your seatbelt, so I did help him with that. And here we were the ones controlling it, so I was using the remote control because he was just so excited that he kept taking his foot on and off the gas. And then this is, as you can see, it going in reverse, and this is the setup. So when you first take it out of the box, it does look a little overwhelming, but I can assure you it is not. So it is just the body first, and then that's the motor that kind of controls everything. So you're going to want to put it on the side and put these parts in first, and it is labeled left and right, and it goes on the back axis. And you'll put the part that has the actual like power cord through, and you'll see it fits through like that, and you want to make sure that that part is also attached. And then you will go ahead and put the tires or the wheels on, and you'll put them on the front and the back. All of them are the same size, so it doesn't matter which one goes where. And when you do that, then you'll go ahead and you'll put the screw on top and screw that in, and it does come with all the tools that you need to assemble it. So this is how it looks after the wheels have been attached, and then you'll put the cover over it, and that's what gives it that extra, Lamborghini look. For the steering wheel, it comes like this. You attach this again, which is a power source, and then the actual wheel kind of just snaps into place. So you kind of have to look for where it fits and align it and then snap it into place. And then you'll put the windshield down on. That also just snaps into place. So everything, like I said, is pretty straightforward. This is the part that may be a little bit tricky, connecting the power sources, but you'll see that there are two white connectors that were already part of the body, and so you're going to connect that to the pieces that went on either side of the back axle. So the shorter one will go to the right side, and then the longer one will go to the left side, because obviously it's a little bit further. And then you'll connect those two red pieces together, and then you'll put the seat on. The seat just snaps in place, and then it does also come with two screws that you will screw on at the front, and that is just to ensure that the seat does not lift. And that is pretty much it. The last thing that you'll put on are the review mirrors, and those just snap in place, and that's it. So now with the remote, there are different functions on the remote as well. So there is a park. You can go forward and reverse, and then you can also turn. So just keep that in mind, that you can pretty much control the entire vehicle. And then on the inside of the vehicle, there is low speed and high speed. My son, the way that we had it was on low speed, so that kind of gives you an idea of how fast this vehicle can go.